Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. If you just want the short version before buying, this is my simple take on the tech gadget. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. Capture it all with Retinal 4K video. See your home or business in the ultimate clarity with Retinal 4K. That can make it more useful in everyday situations. Zoom in up to 10x. Catch details at a distance with up to 10x enhanced zoom. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. See, hear and speak to visitors on camera. With live view and two-way talk with Audio Plus, you'll be able to interact. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are easy tech, daily use, and smart upgrade. The one caution is simple: check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. My simple verdict: the tech gadget looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.